Y'all, my hair looked and felt a mess. Of course, I stay dipped, I stay laced, and I know you know I'm fly. Girl, stop playing games with me. Hey guys, today's video I'm really excited for because my hair really needed some TLC. I think my last keratin treatment was about 6 months ago, and I realized that that is the absolute longest that I want to go before redoing a keratin treatment. By that time, my hair was extremely frizzy. Something that I also was able to clearly see is that if I decided not to do keratin treatments anymore, then my hair is gonna go right back to how it previously was. It's crazy when you haven't had your hair like in its fully natural state for that long of a time, like how you forget what you have had to deal with your own hair. And I absolutely love my hair in its natural state. And I keep saying that because there's been several videos posted recently, which I haven't watched, of people knocking keratin treatments. My answer to the criticism regarding keratin treatments is that I'm pretty sure if I searched hard enough, I could find something to combat every kind of treatment, system, product, or whatever that people use to say whether it's good or bad. So coconut oil, years ago, people were like, do it, do it, do it. And then more recently, people are like, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Apple cider vinegar, baking soda, really anything that you think of for doing with your hair, people can come back and say that that's not a good idea. So I have said this for a long time now. Do whatever you feel comfortable with doing to your hair. So if you don't want to do keratin treatments, don't do it. For those of you who are here to see my experience, I hope you enjoy this video, and thank y'all so much for watching. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. And my hair just is doing its own thing. I have like gray hairs that keep coming. I'm going to have to color my hair before I tame this mane. I have probably about an ounce of this Wella Color Charm in 6N left, and this is gonna give me coverage mainly around the edges, but I'm just gonna see how far this can take me. The demi-permanent color will be fine going right into the keratin treatment. If you have not seen me unbox the whole starter kit from Cliove Organics, make sure that you click on the link below and watch me unbox all the awesomeness that they sent over to me. And today I'm going to be applying this to my hair. I'm not going to spend too much time on the color application. I am using Wella Color Charms hair color in 6N. It is a demi-permanent color, which is completely safe. Because I'm about to apply the keratin treatment to my hair, I decided to first apply the color. That's what's recommended by Cliove Organics. And I'm focusing the color on my roots just to get rid of some of the grays that I have. I did do a little bit of it around the back of my hair as well. The color is on. I'm gonna leave it on for about 20 minutes total. A tip for removing any extra color is just to grab some rubbing alcohol, a cotton ball, and rub it away. I just used the Cliove clarifying shampoo on my hair, and many people ask me, why do I get a keratin treatment? One word, frizz. Do y'all see the back of my hair? It's so frizzy, y'all. And this is after just shampooing it. I have to put in a lot of work. I have to deep condition my hair, use leave-in conditioners, use creams, use gels, mousses to tame the frizz. The front is a little less frizzy, but it's still very, very frizzy. So I'm very excited to try this keratin treatment, and y'all just watch because I know the results are going to be amazing. I was able to detangle my hair in less than 10 minutes, and that was without using any product, any leave-in conditioner. So the clarifying shampoo got my hair really clean, but didn't leave it stripped and didn't leave it hard or unmanageable. Good morning. I wasn't able to do my hair yesterday. Just life happened. So it's first thing this morning, my hair is dry. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. After shaking it up a little, I am pouring about 2 ounces of the Total Smooth Keratin treatment in this applicator bowl. And I'm going to be using an applicator brush to apply it on my hair. Just a side note, if you are pricing this product, it's 16 ounces and I only use 2 ounces for my length and thickness of hair. So that's 8 treatments out of this one container. It really pays for itself in just one use. I didn't want to take any chances with the fumes, so I did wear a mask, and after I apply the product onto my hair, I do comb it through with my rat tail comb. I'm not oversaturating it. That's really important. That's one mistake that I did before. You really do not have to saturate your hair. Once you apply a little bit to your hair and comb it through, it's going to touch the rest of your strands.
I don't know what else to say. Ain't no particular reason, just hit by your wave.
After applying it to all 4 sections, I had to take a little break and feed my baby breakfast. Once I was ready to get started again, I used the Cliove Advanced Styling Cream. I applied it to all 4 sections of my hair.
I don't want anybody, I want you.
This is a heat protectant, and it also claims to speed up the drying time. So right away, I blow dried my hair.
So if you wanna find me, make a move. I'll send a
I use the tension method to pull my strands down a little bit.
message with my coordinates to you. I'm right where you left me.
I use my tangle teaser to make sure that my hair was detangled.
I'm patiently waiting.
And then I use my bristle brush to further draw my hair. My hair is color treated. I have bleached my hair and now I have a demi-permanent just to deposit color on top of it. So it is not as healthy as someone who has completely natural, never treated with anything hair. So keratin treatments provides protein, which is something that makes your hair stronger and less prone to further damage. So for me, keratin treatments are positive for my hair. It might not be for you though, so make sure you do your own research. So I'm just gonna take a pause because children, and I will be back to flat iron. It's about 4 hours later and I'm back, and I just put my hair in a bun because it was looking a mess. Even though the Advanced Styling Cream is a heat protectant, I use this before blow drying. I want to also add my argan oil. This is the heat protectant that I normally use, and it adds shine and smoothness. And my little frizzies, they're still there, y'all, but we're about to do this. I'm just going to section it into the 4 sections again. Have y'all seen people and their ends look a mess and you're like, ooh, girl, she need to trim your hair. I'm her, I'm that girl. My ends don't feel bad, but they look bad. I'm going to be using this flat iron. Because I'm doing so many passes, I'm going to put it on 400 degrees. Bam, we already there. I like using this little comb. I'm just gonna put like a little of this, not even a dime size.
I never talk about it, but you're my muse. So if you hear me calling out to you with a telepathic message, baby.
I normally flat iron my hair at 410 degrees, but because I'm doing so many passes, I ended up doing 4 passes. I lowered the temperature of the flat iron to 400 degrees, but it's not getting as like silky smooth as I like it to be. So I wonder if after I shampoo it in a few days and then flat iron it again, if it will like be straighter.
Everything, they would never be the same.
The frizz is gone, so that's great.
Or maybe with the love we found, we go down in history. Or maybe we just go down in flames.
So I'm bringing out my Keratin wax stick. Yeah, I've been using this stick forever. I miss Adriana, her name is Adriana, but her YouTube channel, she used this all the time. I think she still uses it. And it really helps, especially around my edges. Yeah, my hair is straight, so yes. It's just not as straight as I like it. Is it because is my hair like thicker? My hair is not thicker. It's definitely better than it was before. But I am going to come back to y'all in a few days. I did not trim my ends. I'll make sure to do that the next time I flat iron my hair. I decided to wrap it to see if it would lay flatter. So I did just that, quickly wrap my hair. The recommendation on Cliove Organics website is to shampoo your hair again after 72 hours. That is exactly what I did. So make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned to my next video so you see how my hair looks after the first wash day. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.